This is the start of a Reid adventure. This is a typical us kind of a cache. We always go for the tough ones, and sometimes we hate it, but we love it at the same time.
Lighter elevation. It's maybe a little bit farther than if we came from the road on this side of where the other cache is that we already found, but it should be a little bit easier.
And it's a first to find cache that we're after at the top of the mountain. So they're making us bushwhack 1.2 kilometers through the bush with no trail. We have the vehicles parked and we're ready to go. We're just packing up with some water, make sure that we have enough and some snacks, and we'll be off on our way up into the bush, bushwhacking to the top of the mountain. Through the trees there, we can see a ledge that we're trying to avoid, because otherwise if we go straight through instead of to the left where they were traveling, we would hit a straight up cliff. So we're trying to navigate our way along the ridge to get to a spot where we can go up, because we can see the terrain. We just want to make sure we don't have to do a lot of rock climbing. We've gone how far? 0.3?
Yeah.
Darn it all. Here, I thought we were almost there. And we still got a kilometer to go. But upwards and onwards, we're making good progress. While we're within almost 600 meters, but we're trying to be careful to avoid this little kind of a slot or a little rounded part in the terrain, because we don't want to kind of have to go down and back up. So we're trying to keep to the right as we go along and to slowly gain our elevation up to the highest point and the potential first to find. Damn, we've been bothered by flies since we came up a little bit and out into the open, and then I just swallowed one. I breathed in and it went right in down my throat and I couldn't stop it, so I had to swallow the fly. So am I gonna have to swallow a spider and then a bird and then a cat? We're hoping we're on a good path now. Where we were stopping for a rest, we were up and we thought we were flat according to the topographical map, but we had to go down and then come around the corner. Now we believe it's a fairly straight kind of incline up, the nice path to get there, but could be wrong. We'll see. We're getting close.
Meters to go.
Yeah.
Woo. We've made it through all the blowdowns and the hills and the rocks and the oops, we went the wrong ways. Now it's just a few more feet and meters.
Don't step in the droppings.
You know, yep. Lots of those.
amongst Mother Nature.
Crooked I may be, up to finally see.
Oh, there it is.
There it is right
Nice,
there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
awesome.
Woo.
Look at that.
There it is.
Right.
Yeah.
I can try and hold it still if you
Okay.
twist. Team effort.
Come on, baby.
Do we have to watch them? Come.
Yeah.
There it is.
Swing.
Woo.
Woo. There you go, buddy.
Hey.
Good job. Good work, you
Well,
all.
Oh, let's make sure that.
Now we need to know,
Now it's the moment of
is
truth.
it first to find?
Tell you what, I'll pass down the log so I don't
It's
have
looking
to fall
clean.
out of the tree. Have a look.
GCAK4P9. Karen, open up the bag. Let's see if we're first to find.
Well, seeing as it says FTF and it's blank, I would say it's a yes.
Woohoo! Way to go, eh?
Sweet.
Awesome. Yep, first to find,
The try.
blank log. Nice. Well, what an adventure that was.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Up and down and all around.
and Trudy said it was going to be easy.
Don't believe anything I say.
Her definition of easy is different than ours.
Just an easy walk without not too much elevation.
And the terrain rating is what? Is it 2?
It's a 3.5.
Oh, 3.5. Okay,
Yeah.
that's better. I thought you said 2.5 at first. I'm like, there's no way. Yeah.
2 difficulty, 3.5 terrain.
Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, because we didn't need any tools.
No.
No lad, and we didn't have to. What do they call it? Going up the scopes of rock climbing. We didn't need ropes and ladders or anything like that. So
I did kind of climb a tree.
yeah, well, okay, a little bit of a tree, just to get some leverage onto get the cap loose. Those caps are dangerous. If you put them on too tight, you ain't gonna get them off. So make sure. We didn't tighten it up too tight, did we?
No.
No. Okay, good. So everybody had fun. It was a good, good
Yeah.
adventure.
that
Yeah.
was awesome.
Yeah.
It was,
Yes.
the flowers are all out,
Yeah.
and it's amazing to see them all.
Hmm. Thanks for inviting us on this adventure. It
Well,
was really
thanks for
cool.
coming
Oh, it was
along.
great to
Yeah.
have you along.
Cache Canada and Reidmylips. There you go.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?